Hey guys, Taylor here with the Friends of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. We are the nonprofit that does the fundraising and the marketing, the outreach for the Colorado Avalanche Information Center, the folks who make your backcountry forecasts. We're here with the corn harvest, the 25th annual. We raised $10,000 last year. We're hoping to hit it again this year. Every single dollar raised goes to fund the forecast and the people who make the forecast. So lots of different ways to win prizes and stoke us out today.